This is the Pentair IC40. It comes in the IC20, IC40, IC60. Basically, it's 20,000 gallon, 40,000 gallon, 60,000 gallon. Here's the deal. This Pentair is a workhorse. This is my sister's pool. Been watching them run this unit for a couple of years, and it's good. It's very durable. They say 3 to 5 years. I'm doing my research, and I've seen 5, 6, 7 even. This is not the only great salt generator out there, but this is definitely on a short list. So if you've already got a Pentair, let's say you already have an IC40, you might just replace it with another IC40. Done. Just pull the old one off, put the new one on, you're done. I love the fact that it's just simplistic. It's just push button, the slide off cover. I mean, it's just easy. It's just easy. Now, the one thing I would say though, is if you've got like say a 30,000 gallon pool, maybe 25,000 gallon pool, you might even consider the IC60. Yeah, it's a little bit more money, but it's gonna work less to keep up with the water. So it's just how would you put it? I heard one person on a forum say that it's like you're using a scalpel or you're using a machete, and so you can dial it back. But the IC60 is just a big old machete. The IC40 is certainly a fantastic unit too. So if you're pushing 40,000 gallon, you might just reach up to the 60. But if you're in the 20s, I mean, the 40 is more than enough. You've already reached up a bit. But anyway, they're both great. These are workhorses. I absolutely recommend these things. They're not the only great ones, but these are great.